Wire bonding process in semiconductor. The wire bonding process in semiconductor manufacturing is a crucial aspect of establishing reliable electrical connections within integrated circuits. This process involves the precise bonding of fine wires, typically made of materials like gold, aluminum, or copper, to semiconductor die and package substrates. The wire bonding process is essential for enabling the transmission of electrical signals and power within semiconductor devices. In semiconductor manufacturing, the wire bonding process encompasses several key steps, including wire preparation, bonding tool selection, and parameter optimization. The wire is meticulously prepared, often involving cleaning, shaping, and forming the bond pad to ensure optimal bonding. Specialized bonding tools, such as wedge bonders or ball bonders, are then employed to create the wire bonds. These tools utilize heat, pressure, and ultrasonic energy to establish robust and low-resistance connections between the wire and the semiconductor components. The wire bonding process is integral to the functionality, reliability, and performance of integrated circuits. As semiconductor devices continue to advance in complexity and miniaturization, the wire bonding process remains a fundamental technique for establishing interconnections within these devices. Ongoing advancements in wire bonding technology and materials continue to refine and optimize the wire bonding process to meet the evolving demands of modern semiconductor devices.